So there comes a time in most skills where you want to gather information from the customer. And if you're just gathering one piece of information, it's pretty straightforward. You use a slot and you're done. But if you want to gather a variety of information, multiple pieces of information, you're going to get a little more complex. If you start to use a flow chart, you're going to start to say, let's say it's a planning a trip experience. You're going to say, where do they go? When are they going? When do they leave? What are they going to do when they get there? And you have all these possibilities of which order the person might ask the question or answer the prompt. So the flow chart gets very complex and it gets very rigid. So let's give you an example. If the person says, hey, I'd like to plan a trip, and Alexa says, great, where would you like to go? Then the person says, I would like to go to Portland. What do you want to do to get there? I want to go kayaking. Great, that's the happy path. Everything works out perfect. Now let's do it again where the person says, I'd like to plan a trip. And the person, Alexa then would say, where do you want to go? The person says, I'd like to go kayaking. Hold on, I just said, I want to go kayaking, and the question was, where do you want to go? It would be terrible if the next prompt says, what would you like to do when you get there? Because I just answered that question. So that's an example where somebody misanswered, and we need to be able to take the fact that they said kayaking and put it into the activities slot. Let's do another one. You say something like, I want to plan a trip. Alexa says, where would you like to go? And the person says, I would like to go to Portland to go kayaking. So in that case, I over-answered. I gave you where I want to go, but I also said the activity. Again, we should not prompt with, what do you want to do when you get there next? I've already got the information. So dialogue management is a feature that helps you not have to think about all the possible permutations and combinations of how these things work. Instead, you just say, what do I need to gather? And then you can either delegate that to Alexa, and Alexa will ask for the parts that she doesn't know yet, or you could be very explicit in every step in your code. You could say, I elicit this slot, I elicit this slot, I elicit this slot, and do it on your own. This gives you two benefits. It helps you with the error repair and over-answering, under-answering, all that kind of thing. It also helps you with accuracy, because now we're going to focus in those intents and utterances in on that dialogue management. So to get started, check out our voice design course at alexa.design/CDW, or you can read more about it in the custom skills Build the Interaction Model section of the Tech Docs.